Hello and welcome back to another episode on my Cooking Without Fire series. I'm Renita. Let's make 2 ingredients laddu today. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this 2 ingredient recipe. So let's begin. Take a clean mixing bowl and add 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of condensed milk and mix both the ingredients well. We don't need to add additional sweeteners as we are using sweetened condensed milk. You have an option of adding some colorful sprinkles to make this laddu look more colorful. You can also get creative and add food coloring and create different colors of laddus. When you've combined both the ingredients well, take small proportions of this mixture and start rolling between your hands. Make equal sized laddus and your 2 ingredients laddus are ready to serve. I have a variety of Cooking Without Fire recipes in my Cooking Without Fire series. Click the card above to watch all those videos. If you have followed any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Links to all my social medias are provided in the description box below. Check it out. At last, sprinkle some desiccated coconut on top and serve them right away. You can also refrigerate these laddus up to 7 days. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.